You will meet subtractions like these everywhere. 63 minus 28, 72 minus 47, 95 minus 38. The number you take away is just under a friendly 10. 28 is almost 30, 47 is almost 50, 38 is almost 40. That is the door to an easier path. Pause the video. Try 63 minus 28 in your head. Here is a hint. What if you took away 30 instead? Here's the move. We round the number we subtract up to a 10. 28 rounds up to 30. 63 minus 30 is 33. But wait, we took away 2 too many, so we add those 2 back. 33 plus 2 is 35. And the standard way agrees. 63 minus 28 is 35. Let us do it again. 72 minus 47. Round 47 up to 50. 72 minus 50 is 22. We removed 3 too many, so add 3 back. 25. Now it is your turn. A speed round. Round up, subtract, then add back. Beat the timer in your head. This is the subtract roundup rule. If you take away a number just under a 10, round it up to the 10, subtract, then add back what you over-removed. Look for a number ending in 8 or 9 that you are subtracting. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.